downpipe install today. Let's go. Let's go. I'm gonna do this by myself. I can do it by myself. I can do it by myself. Skunk2 CATLESS downpipe on the 9th gen. Let's go.
I've never said that. I think they're pretty even. Okay, there you go. Perfect.
Yeah, that should be fine, right?
Yeah.
It's not gonna go anywhere, is it?
No.
I got some of these. I'm ready to bang my hands against the car. I also got some of this. Running out of daylight, boys. Running out of daylight. Let's go. Here are the tools that you're gonna need today. I have this whole entire tool set that Ronnie actually gave me. Super nice guy. This is my setup right now, and it's not ideal, obviously, but I live in an apartment, and this is the best I can do without having to pay somebody. Okay, so first step is to remove this thing right here. All right, so this little cover right here, pop that thing off. To get the windshield wiper off, that's the first step. You have to take both of them off. I already took the passenger side off. For this thing, you just yank it out. Good thing I got these gloves. Pop this little cap off, this little rubber cap, and then just take it off. So this is the thing right here that was holding in the wiper blades. I just ripped it out, man. Like, I don't really care anymore. I just want to get this done. We're gonna have some 10 millimeters right here. Now I'm gonna grab myself a long boy extension right here. And we're gonna have to get these. I got this thing out. There's my bolt. Success. Now that we got this crap out of the way, I hope you guys can see them on video, but there are a couple bolts holding on the heat shield. Let's take those off. Wow. So much easier than doing stuff on the 10th gen. Well, the 10th gen downpipe. Thank God I had Dakota. Dakota was amazing. Dakota, if you're watching this, I miss you, man. Not just because you helped me out on car stuff, but, you know, I miss you. What I love about this stuff already on this car is that everything is pretty much hand tight, except for those exhaust bolts that I try to get off when I tried to install the full race exhaust. But here we go. I'm gonna keep those two together. Ah, crap, there's a third one in the back. There is no try. Oh, this is gonna suck to get off. That's what she said. I should have bought ratcheting wrenches. If anyone wants to send me a present, I could use a set of ratcheting wrenches. So to get that O2 sensor off, I'm gonna have to go back to AutoZone and get an O2 sensor socket. Is there a method to my madness? Not really. So for the stuff under the car, you're gonna need one of these, 14 millimeter. Let's go. Let's go, come on. That's right. I'm doing this shit. Wow, look at that. I can just undo them with my hand. That's awesome. Let's leave that right there. All right, and these ones up here, I'm not gonna show you them because, well, you saw me do the first one. All right, I jacked the car up one more click. Okay, I just went to AutoZone, I got the O2 sensor socket, and I just tested it, and it fits very well. It's a 7/8. Okay, let's go. Get out of here, brother. There. Come on, motherfucker. These guys probably think I have the least amount of patience in the world. Yes, yes, yes! Awesome brothers. Now, take this heat shield out. No, we're not doing this, dude. We're not doing this. Get the fuck out. Yeah, there we go. So at this point, they've already seen the video of you driving this car. What are your thoughts now that it's been a couple days? Did you have fun?
Yeah. Once I got the hang of it.
Are we gonna do it again?
Yeah.
You gonna launch it?
No.
Oh, fuck. So I talked to that guy in the WRX yesterday. His name's Logan. I walked up because I saw him working on the car. And I didn't think, we didn't rent one of those when we moved in because we didn't think that they were big enough. If you drive in with the passenger side of your car closest to that side of the wall, then you have plenty of space to open your door and get out. So There's another one for rent over there. And I think I might do it. $75 a month.
You wanna come outside? Come on. Yeah, you feel better? You look like you're making love to your car.
I'm gonna what?
You look like you're making love to your car.
What about now? This car is way easier to work on than the 10th gen.
Really?
Yeah.
Why is that?
Like just taking off bolts is so much easier. Okay, so the ones on the bottom, they're big boys like this here. Crap, those are big. There's spring-loaded bolts I gotta get down there next. And those are probably gonna suck. This freaking thing, dude. Oh crap, I freaking got it, guys. Hope you can see that. There we go. I got 5 more bolts to put on, and then we're good. All right, boys, we're nearing the finish line. I just gotta tighten up the rest of the bolts here, and then we can give it a start up. No! Give them a good squeeze, brothers. I think we're done. I think we're ready for a startup. Are you ready?
So stoked.
Here is the first catalytic converter. It's a big fat boy. Put it right there.
Hey, where are you supposed to be? Get up there.
Damn, baby, you're cracking down on her. So I'm gonna take this jack stand out. These are Jose's jacks. Thank you, Jose, again. Oh, babe, that's what else I want for Christmas.
A yak?
Yeah, I want a floor jack and some yak stands, please. Be very careful. And we're taking off. Okay. I don't know what that crack was, but I hope we're okay. Gonna give her a startup. Does that sound weird to you? It sounds like there's a...
Smells bad.
Well, yeah, you're gonna smell the cat. This is why I'm registering it in Maine, so I don't have to smog. That was weird. So I don't know if I have to... I never plugged in the O2 sensor. I don't know if I'm supposed to. All right, boys. It's definitely a lot louder. All right, brothers, I've decided that I don't want to wait till tomorrow to go drive the car around the block. So I'm gonna give you guys another cold startup right now. Then I'm gonna put my tools away, put the ramps away real quick while the car warms up. And then we're gonna go rip around the block. So I put the O2 sensor back in, the one on the top. So there's a second one down below. Josh told me he does not need that second one in. He's probably gonna send me a tune tomorrow because it's like 11:30 in Texas right now. That's where Josh lives, so I don't expect him to send me a tune at 11:30 at night. So tomorrow we'll probably go and do a couple pulls and start to get that whole thing situated. I expect there to be some rattling, but let's go see. Oh crap, I ran over my freaking tools, dude. Damn. Oh god, that rattling is bad. I'm definitely gonna have to fix that ASAP. Dude, it's not that loud. I'm gonna roll the window all the way down. The cold startup was really loud. Oh god, that rattling. That's gonna trigger some people. I think my tension is louder, man. Okay, so one thing about the downpipes with the 9th gens is that they all pretty much hiss. I think even the catted downpipes will hiss. But I'm sure people will correct me in the comments if I'm wrong. Oh my god, the hiss cannot be that loud. The hiss cannot be that bad. That can't be right. No. Oh. Maybe that's the rattle? I hope that's the rattle, because if that's the hiss, then that's obnoxious. Oh, this sounds atrocious. What the fuck? Nah, dude. Dude, this sounds terrible. I had this scheduled for an oil change tomorrow. I think I might just have them take a look at it. Be like, hey, how's all this stuff look? Man, I know it's illegal in California, except this car is in the process of getting registered in Maine, so. It smells disgusting too. Guys, maybe I made a mistake. Maybe I should have gotten a catted downpipe. Oh, the smell is bad, dude. Like, I don't know if I'll be able to live with that. That's bad. Oh, that smell is terrible. I mean, I think it's probably... Well, no, there's nothing to break in, because it's just a pipe, right? Does a CATLESS downpipe have anything that needs to be broken in? Feeling this, man. I think I did something wrong, boys. I think I did something wrong. Oh, fuck. Yeah, buddy. There's probably gonna be 2 or 3 people that are gonna comment, this guy's being a little bitch. Bro, you're not here right now. You don't smell what I smell, and you don't hear what I hear. So the tension with a CATLESS downpipe, Dakota has a CATLESS downpipe, it smells like a snowmobile, and I love that smell. It smells good. But this car, the 9th gen, with a CATLESS downpipe, smells like burnt hair. Have you guys ever smelled burnt hair? It's a terrible smell. God damn. I feel like I'm just breathing in cancer. I don't want to do that. Do get rid of this downpipe and get a catted one, like the full race catted or Ktuner or whatever. I mean, the sound is atrocious. I do not like the sound at all paired with my full race exhaust. There were a couple people who put in the comments months ago when I started talking about my plans for this car, A couple of people said, make sure you get a catted downpipe because the catless makes this car smell terrible. And those people were right. It's not even funny. I'm gonna end the video right here. That's all I got. That's all I got for this one. See you later, alligator.